There we go. All right, so the reslot. I don't know who was in which lane. I just tried to put them in separate lanes. Are we over there? We're all good? Okay. Get ready. See if this works. Ready? Go. Oh, you can't jump start. Sorry. So you can jump start. So don't hit the jaw before I say go. Ready?
Well, I thought I said it right when you said it. Hang on, I got something I just made.
Oh, what's wrong?
No,
You good? Ready? Go.
Red flag. That was me.
3,
I did the same time.
1, go.
Hold on, guys.
I went with that one.
Come on, man, we're ready.
Go. Go.
Red flag.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1,
I did it last
We're gonna do the
week.
countdown, or we're gonna do the countdown. Maybe this one's just a glitch. Hold on. Just gonna do a countdown again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Red flag.
I know why. I hit the wrong button to stop it a while ago. I had to hit the go button to stop it. Okay, ready? Ready? Go.
Red flag.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Red flag.
3,
This was
2,
working fine.
One.
Okay, don't hit your balls. Everyone, finger off triggers.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're off.
Wrong way, I think.
3, 2, 1, go.
Red flag.
I think I got it this time. I should practice this before we start. All right, ready, ready, go. Yeah.
Red flag.
Sorry.
No, that's me. I'm setting controls here, race controls, having issues.
What's your close
Well,
now?
now we're on 170. He's gonna get
I know, those cars over there are smiling.
Gotta remember
I didn't see those.
These
He's under the bridge.
All right, you ready? Go.
Red flag.
Yeah, I think I made it.
Red flag. Red flag. Ready, go. Ready, I did accidentally. Ready, go. Sorry.
soccer game and it's just like to get ahead of you.
Ready? See if I can do the wheel again. Ready? Go. 16 seconds. Try to do this another lap, man. 10 seconds. Maybe one more lap. Go, 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 go. All right, so see where I gotta take my time and do the. All right. So look at your lap total. Okay, driver 2 is Doug. 4 is Jody. Kristen, remember your lap totals, okay?
No, wait,
I can't remember everything yet.
I'm at 3.
Yeah.
I'm at 34.
Yeah, you're at 34, Jody 38, Doug 42. So y'all remember those numbers because I'm gonna jump over to my spreadsheet.
You're gonna go away?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No, it doesn't delete. You just the screen just
You were
goes away.
I was 34, you're 38.
All right. So Doug, you're driving the Corvette. You have what?
42.
All right. Kristen, you were driving which car?